How y'all doing out there? Today Friday, November 8th, and yeah, as you see, got my work uniform on, but I'm in my Suburban. So yeah, I goes to crank the work van up, won't start. I think I know what it is. They done did it twice on me already, and I don't know why it keeps burning the the rotor cap, but I think that's what it is. So I'm on my way to O'Reilly now to go buy the part so I can go ahead and swap it. I'll go ahead and swap it, and after I swap it, hopefully I can still make my appointment. I only have one appointment today, which it could be two because it's at the same location. So I already reached out to them, let them know that, you know, I'm having issues with the van or whatever. They said, all right, cool. So I'm gonna go over here to O'Reilly's and get the piece, throw it on here, cause it probably take about an hour to put it on. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. Hopefully that's what it is, but we'll see. So I'll go ahead and do that and turn y'all back on once I get back to the house so y'all can see what I got going on. Yeah, it's a good thing that I keep my receipts and stuff, because since that part went down, I went back to where I got the part from, and it had a lifetime warranty on it. I ain't paid nothing for it. They just replaced it. So yes, sir. I'm about to go throw this on real quick. Hopefully it shouldn't take about an hour. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll hit y'all back in a little bit. So hopefully this do the trick. We're gonna see if it's gonna turn over still. Nah, it's trying. Go ahead and swap this out, see what that do. All right, so now I'm taking the little instrument cluster, I guess that's what you want to call it, taking that out so I can take the cover off that separates the inside from the outside, so I can get to the distributor cap and the rotor. I mean, it wasn't that long of a process. It probably took, I would say, about an hour to do, because I had to go back to the parts store to get some pieces, well, to get the distributor cap. So yeah, it didn't take that long. So yeah, just moving stuff out the way and putting it back together, that was basically the hard part. Well, not the hard part, what took the longest. Other than that, I mean, yeah, I got it right. Went on ahead and put it on there. Shoot, had it running. Did what I had to do. Yeah. At the point of this video right here, I mean, I got like 230 something subscribers. You know, we trying to get that 500 so we can get monetized, you know. So if you haven't already, and if you don't mind, just go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. You know, that don't cost you nothing. Just go ahead and hit that like, you know, subscribe, comment, share it if you don't mind. You know, that helps the channel out. You know, that'll keep me motivated to make these videos. I know I've been making videos a while back, and Lately, I've been trying to make more videos for y'all though, for real. That's exactly what it was. That's the new one. That's what it was, that right there. Well, I'm about to head back to O'Reilly. I got something told me to go ahead and replace the distributor cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the distributor cap. I already replaced the rotor. I replaced it and it fired right up, but it was tapping, like tap, 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 tap. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this cap. I know it's gonna be about $30, $40. And I know Amazon got them things for like under $20. So I gotta go ahead and get it so I can go ahead and get to my appointments for tomorrow. I got 3 I gotta do tomorrow. So excuse me, once I put this on, hopefully it'll fire right up and I'll go ahead and go on over here and knock his out. But we gonna see. So I'll hit y'all once I get the part and let y'all see what I got going on. Yeah, for now on, I see I'm gonna have to start ordering these things on Amazon like every so often because I just paid $30 for just the cap, where on Amazon I can get the cap and the rotor for $15. So I can get 2 caps and 2 rotors for the same price I just paid for 1 cap. So yeah, every so often I'm just gonna buy these what's the names because man, yeah, that's crazy. 1 distributed cap is $30. You can go on Amazon and get a distributed cap and a rotor for 15, 16, 17. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing that. But I just had to get that today just so I can have it for tomorrow because I got 3 I gotta do tomorrow. And so yeah, I guess as soon as I get finished with today, I'm gonna go ahead and order them, at least 2 of them, so I have backup. That don't make no sense. But yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all off and turn y'all back on once I get to the house and get everything situated with this van. So I'm hoping this will do what I needed to do because it got that little cap right there, and I just noticed that's not metal, so that's probably why it's doing that. Let's see. That's all the way down the metal. We're gonna see. This should do it. Dirt. Oh yeah. Vacuum wipe down. Hey girl. Hey. You don't have to go somewhere. I'm trying to work. Leave that there. Get these bugs off. That's a big one. It's gonna take a lot of scrubbing. Inside not too bad. Just a blowout vacuum. Inside not too bad. Blowout vacuum. It's just all that. That's coming. Let me see some. Yeah, that should come out. bad. Yeah, it ain't that bad. Just wanted the outside of this work truck washed. So, yep, go ahead and do the outside for him. Almost in North Carolina.